so much for watching. My name is Annelie Poker and I'm a medical trainer for dental and medical language. In this video, I want to explain to you why you need me as your personal assistant. The first thing is, I know everything about medical language, Dutch medical language, also about dental medical language. I have a lot of experience with doctors and dentists. I have a lot of people and I help them building up their language, improving their language, and finally guiding them through the exam. By now, already 33 of my doctors passed the test for big registration. The other thing is, my method is unique on the market and really focused on medical language. By following these books, you will learn all about Dutch grammar and also about medical language. The next thing is, I will do everything for you for getting this big registration. I will motivate you, I will stimulate you with the language also, and I will correct you. When something goes wrong, I will write it down on a file. This file you will later get sent at home to your email address or to your WhatsApp, whatever you prefer. And this correction will also have a translation into your mother tongue for better understanding everything. So now again, why should you have me as your personal trainer? I'm experienced, I take you by the hand, I motivate you, I stimulate you, I do everything for you that we pass the big registration together, and you will get your own books and also corrections and at home. So I'm very happy that you watched this video and we will see each other in our first lesson. Contact me and I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.